Hi, welcome to this product feature video where we will give you a short walkthrough of Accops HyWorks Management Console. Accops HyWorks is a VDI brokering solution that powers the virtual desktops and virtual applications in many enterprises across the globe. Accops HyWorks provides a graphical user interface that helps administrators to quickly deploy and manage virtual desktops and applications at scale. Once you have logged into the HyWorks console, you are taken to the dashboard page. The dashboard page provides a complete overview of the environment an administrator is managing. Key metrics like active users, number of licenses assigned, days left for license expiry, health of the controller infrastructure, endpoints connected, and so on are provided. The blade towards the left provides all the features and functionalities of HyWorks that an administrator would need to perform all his day-to-day tasks while managing the environment. The monitoring module provides the capability to monitor and manage multiple aspects of the environment, like the Sessions tab lists down all the users, devices, and VDI sessions that are enrolled and are active. The Endpoints tab can manage your thin clients, which is one of the unique capabilities as compared to other products in the market. You can see the devices along with their configuration like make, model, OS, and whether the device is currently active or not. Go to Default Settings on the Endpoint panel on top, and you can exercise granular control over the thin clients from the console. You can configure multiple aspects of the thin clients like configurations, upgrading settings for OS, power settings, etc. Moving on to the configuration module, this is where you can configure various aspects of the user workspace. The Applications tab is from where you can publish all your applications that need to be made available to the user. The Desktop Pools tab allows you to configure the various types of desktop pools. If you click on the Add Desktop Pool from the Desktop Pools panel, you can define pools and its properties. As you can see, HyWorks supports publishing various types of desktop pools like shared hosted, persistent, non-persistent, and even physical desktops. Continuing within the Workspace tab, you have the connection profiles from where you can manage granular configurations related to user session and associated experience. One important feature available here is under Local Resources. From Local Resources you can configure peripherals that need to be redirected to virtual desktop sessions. These peripherals could be your locally attached printers, headphones, USB, etc. If you have graphics-heavy applications, you can enable graphics acceleration from the advanced settings. Moving on to the Organizations tab under Workspace, if there are multiple organizations or business units, each of those organizations can be created and managed from here. The Entitlements module can be used to add, edit, delete application and connection profile entitlements for your organization. Moving on to the Server tab, it lets you configure the HyWorks controller server and various interfacing servers. This can include configuring interface to authentication servers like Active Directory or session provider servers. HyWorks, being hypervisor agnostic, can interface with session providers of the likes of VMware ESG, Hyper-V, Nugnix AHV that provides virtual application or desktop sessions. Another important feature available here is the Capacity Plan. Using Capacity Plan, you can automate the VDI session, start and stop depending upon your organization's usage pattern. As you can see, you can define thresholds to bring up new virtual desktops or bring down existing ones. This feature can be handy to help you reduce your total cost of ownership of VDI deployments, especially on cloud-based environments. For on-premise deployments, using this feature, you can save on your data center hosting expenses. The User Management module lets you manage the users and groups. If the HyWorks controller is integrated to your Active Directory, you can leverage the same users and groups that are already created. The Systems module lets you configure most of the core system configurations like licenses, backup and restore policies, SMTP servers for notifications. The Administration module is from where you can configure role-based access to administrators. You can create roles, and as you can see, you can define the privileges of each role. Once roles are created, you can assign the permissions to different administrator users from the Permissions tab. Finally, the Logs module provides detailed logs related to all the administrative activities performed on the HyWorks console that could be used for the purpose of auditing and reporting. You can filter out logs based on whether they fall in the category of errors, warnings, or just informational logs. You can also specify time frame for which the logs are needed and can be quickly imported in CSV or text format. Discover how Accops can help you work securely from anywhere. Contact Accops today.